No? Okay.
No. You like what you see? Sudsy f***ing suds. I like to put way more than the necessary amount of soap. Hey! What the hell? That doesn't look dangerous at all. I'm the f***ing Texas leaf blower massacre, bitch. Pull in, you dirty slut.
Oh man, y'all know the police just showed up.
Just getting a little deeper out here. We are really deep in merch.
They call me yellow cause the paint is banana, the clip is banana, I'm going bananas. Look, boy, you a bitch. Get your funds together. Look at them. Didn't fuck with us when we was down. Now we coming up together. You can stay in the back cause all up on track, we running it up together. You said we would flop, now the gang at the top and we don't give a fuck together. I used to pray to stay out of the cups that held my hands together.
Yo, I wanted the f***ing cold start on camera, you dirty bastard. Am I in frame? Welcome, sluts, to the Yellow Fellow channel. On this episode, I am going to be washing my car and my friend's car because they are dirtier than, what's something that's dirty? Whore. They're dirtier than a whore. Yeah, you know how filthy them whores can be. I got this, what the f*** do you call this? This third nipple right here. It's not actually a third nipple. I was born premature, but I do have 2 nipples and not 3. This is actually a Lav Go mic or some horse shit. I got a little thing right here, right above my ass crack. It's a wireless receiver, so I hope you enjoy this. It's gonna be dope as hell. My camera equipment has upgraded like a lot. I don't have the greatest equipment, but I have better equipment than I used to have. So if you're coming from being on the channel like a long time ago and now you're here, then shit, welcome. What I'm thinking we're gonna do is compare. My boy Phantom does not have a ceramic coat. I do have a ceramic coat. I think we just watch the cars and see the difference. Truth is, I don't have really a lot of content right now because I'm a boring ass piece of shit. So I figured we just do a quick little detail video so you guys can check it out. What's the difference, you know? And then also you just get some cool footage of us washing cars. I'm probably gonna get the drone out. We'll see what happens. I don't know yet. Don't have any high expectations, okay? I'm a terrible individual, so you see what you see, that's it, okay? That's all you got. Whatever, we're gonna pull both cars in. I haven't used my detail equipment in like a fat minute, probably like a good 4 months, so it's all trash. I'm gonna have to get some more. We got some Walmart wheel brushes you'll end up checking out because my other one from Chemical Guys, I'm not gonna expose them, but it turned to dust sitting in my shop. It's a piece of shit, but either way. Fuck it, man. We're gonna pull the cars in. We're gonna wash them. Everybody loves a good detailing video. I shouldn't have to tell you more than that. Okay, all right, let's do this shit. Pull her in, buddy. Come on, pull her in, pull her in, pull her in, pull her in, pull, in. We got work to do. We got a lot of work to do, actually. All right. Nice, baby. All right, pop it up. Nice. Gotta take this Nova Stretch off. Woo! Damn. This bitch is always hard to take off. The hell? Ah. God damn. All right, buddy. Yeah, man, this car needs a much needed wash. Look at this shit. You can cut it off, Caleb. Look at this shit, man. Holy hell, bro. That shit is disgusting. What do you think? We do one at a time?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
No? Okay.
No. So I'm with my boy Phantom right here, and what we're gonna do is a nice little simple clean detailing video. Ceramic coat versus non-ceramic coat, blah, 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 blah. So we're gonna do my car, then we're gonna do his car. We're gonna start with the wheels, and then we're gonna wash the rest of the car and get it cracking. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Let's do it.
You guys probably know how to detail. I'm not gonna teach you shit. I got plenty of videos on my channel showing you how not to detail. Just don't do that and you'll be fine. We're filling all 3 buckets. I got a wheel bucket, I got a wash bucket, and I got a rinse bucket. That's literally it. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. This is not a tutorial. You like what you see? Sudsy f***ing suds. What the f*** are they talking about over there? So I'm gonna fill my bottle first before I put soap in it. People are gonna roast me, but whatever. I like to put way more than the necessary amount of soap. It's fucking awesome. Shut the f fuck up. This stuff smells so good. I love Chemical Guys' soap. That's way more than enough. So now we're gonna hook it up and we're gonna foam the entire car down. Oh yeah. Let's get it foaming. Let's cut this fucking thing off. We got the drone out. I'm about to wash my wheels. We got a few camera setups. We're gonna try to make this like as much of a movie as possible. You know, we're gonna have some fun stuff. I have 4 lug nuts. I'm not gonna name any names, but I'm just gonna go ahead and point that out before anybody else does. But luckily I got some more going on. This is the crappy wheel brush we have. The other wheel brush we had turned to crap. So yeah, it is what it is. So I had to get this last minute. I gotta brush up on my detail supplies anyway. It's been like 4 months, like I said, since I've used it. And then also the foam wasn't that great. We're gonna try a different combination, and also my foam gun is wrecked. So we're just gonna have to deal with what we got here. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean these wheels off, and we're gonna see what we can do with this wheel brush, but oh well. We're gonna go ahead and spray this wheel down, and we're gonna use some of this Chemical Guys Diablo wheel cleaner. I don't want any comments about how thoroughly I spray my wheels because I know. Let me see what the drone's seeing real quick. Hey! What the hell? Oh, it's still flying. It fucking lived. Dude, it sliced fucking trees, dude. No way. Obstacle? No shit. I'm so used to flying high. Yo, that drone is such a beast, bro. That drone is a beast. Thank you, drone, for being so resilient. Jesus Christ. So this Walmart brush is not that great, but like I said, we got to make do with what we got. So we're probably going to be here for like the next 16 hours. I'm just going to show you guys a lot of time lapse and cinematic footage of me cleaning the car because I don't feel like doing a lot of this shit right here. Pretty straight? Not really. That doesn't look dangerous at all. I say we try to use it. And we're back with this death trap. Let's see how it cleans. I'm so scared, dude. I gotta make sure none of this touches my wheels. Like I can only touch it from here in. Oh. Well, on the bright side, we have this. Jesus. God. Well, Yellowfellow dies doing a detailing video. Coming up next. Jesus Christ. All right, let's see what happens. Well, I think upon close inspection that this is absolutely terrifying, but I think it's working pretty well, so I'm going to continue to use it until it destroys me, my wheel, or itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut this short because we've already been at this for like no lie, like 3.5 hours, no bullshit. I'm trying to leave enough space in this video for a car meet at the end, so I'm not gonna try to bore you guys with some long ass detailing video. I'm gonna wash my car, see how well the ceramic coat performs, and then we're gonna bring Caleb's car over here and we're gonna see how that does, and we're gonna basically gonna give you guys our rundown between ceramic coat versus non-ceramic coat, and do we think it's worth it. Wheels are clean, everything's fine. We're gonna go ahead and wipe the car down, wash the car down, dry it off, and pull it out and pull Mr. Phantom's car over here. So
let's do it.
Yep, let's do it. You guys should know we do things a little bit differently on this channel. Since my air compressor's in the back, I got a treat for you. I'm the fucking Texas leaf blower massacre, bitch. Pull in, you dirty slut. Damn, this car is sick, man.
Thanks, dude.
I'm about to wash the shit out of it. You ready?
Yep.
All right, buddy. All right, kids. Well, we're finally done. We didn't get a whole lot of footage of Phantom's car, but that's because he has to go. We have to start getting ready for this car meet. Now, my overall assessment for ceramic coating, wow, man. Yeah, do it. It really does make a difference. Where it shines actually is where the water beads off of the car. I know that's probably obvious, you know, besides protecting your paint a little bit. I don't have much research with that and how much it actually protects your paint and the hardness and all of that shit, but the paint correction and the ceramic coating, it was fantastic. Like, we were able to dry my car off super fast and everything was like a breeze, you know, wiping it down. It seemed like there was a lot of water left, and like seems like there still is, just kind of air drying. I know his car is black and mine is yellow, but the part we're talking about you can still see. You know, you'd be able to see it on my paint. It's just a little bit of residue and water, but this car got dried off really fast. Also, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't even have to use a towel if you got a better ceramic coating than I did. Not gonna lie, my ceramic coating was not that great. What was it? Probably about 600, 800 bucks. I had a whole invoice of stuff put together. It ended up being about that price. You know, some people pay anywhere upwards of like $2,000 to $3,000 for a ceramic coating. Mine, for the price that it was really good, and I'm pretty sure it would have been even better, you know, had I paid for a more expensive ceramic coating. I think all the cars came out great. I thought it was cool. I'm about to go show you guys this car meet. Blah, blah. The story is, ceramic coating, yes, I would do it. I think it's awesome, and it was done by Mod Effects. You could definitely tell the stuff that wasn't ceramic coated on my car, like my side skirts and my brakes and shit like that. So either way, the cars look great. I'm gonna put this video together. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go hit this car meet. P.S. If you're wondering why the hell there's a blue rectangle on my chest from way back there, if I get closer in frame, you can see that it's a piece of masking tape. It's got my mic on it. I got a little cold, had to put a jacket on. Instead of having it under my shirt like I did, I wanted to make sure you could still hear me. That's probably a stupid thing to do. No fucks given. We've been out here washing cars all day for how many hours now? A lot. A lot of hours, like a shit ton of hours. So anytime you see a detailing video, trust me, appreciate it. It took them a long time. Either way, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Shut the fuck up. Stop talking.
Sorry, bro.
Stop talking.
Done.
Jesus Christ. You fucking sucking bitch. Fuck you. Anyway. Oh, well, hello. We're going to this car meet right now, and the car's clean. Everything's nice. What do you guys think about the red and white merch? Woo! Got it with the red bottoms on. Damn, you know. Oh, we're about to get into it. We're me and Caleb right here at the gas station, and then we're about to pull up at Top Golf. I'll get a little footage of this meet for you guys to top off a boring detail video. What's up, sluts? We just pulled up to the meet. Caleb over here, me over here. We got a few people around here from HT, that's Caleb's group. We're waiting for people to pull up. We got the VIP out, you know. We got some cones set up and some shit like that. Man, shout out to Caleb for helping me throw this on. He really did most of the work. Shit, man. Come on, y'all. Hey, what's up, house? How you doing, homie? Oh, it's an SRT. Damn, what's up, baby? How you doing?
Doing all right.
Oh, we got some more stuff. Hello. It's getting a little deeper out here. We are really deep in merch. Alex, show it off, show it off. Turn around, man. Got the YF on. Turn around, turn around. Do the work, baby. Do the work. Turn around, turn around. Damn, same as mine. We twinning out here. Boy, babe. That boy Big B. Hey, you in my hood now, what's up?
What's up, man?
Hey, shit, how you doing, bro?
Yellow?
Good as bro.
What's up, Yellow?
Banging on my chest.
What's the word, man? You know we had to pull up on your side of the tracks, man.
I told you, man.
Yes, sir. Ooh, my man, Wild Bodies. Gat pulled up in the bitch.
What's up, man? Thanks for coming, bro.
This must be close to your house.
Bro.
You pulling up here.
Nice to meet you, bro.
You didn't see me? You parked.
All right, y'all. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit. We're gonna put the merch up. This is all the people that pulled up so far. This is what it's looking like. It's not crazy. We got a few badass cars here. Shout out to Big B and Bape for coming, man. They drove like a long ass way, and then so did a few other people out here. That we're gonna go into Top Golf, do some golfing. Me and Bape, you know we gotta clickbait the cops, baby.
Oh man, y'all know the police just showed up. You know they gonna say something. You know they gonna say.
Roast them. Hey, we got permission to be here though.
It's all good then.
Yeah, no, we're good.
We got permission. They can't say that.
They just strolling through. everybody for coming out. Man, my camera's about to die, but we are leaving Top Golf right now. Shit was fun. I'm gonna include a few clips of Top Golf. I'm not gonna make it super boring. I'm gonna throw something in there, but I'm gonna get a cold start for y'all, and that's gonna wrap up this video.